Have you given a project to start and you are wondering how you do it? This video is particularly for you then. In this video, I'll be giving you 5 easy steps to start the project the right way. Hello, I am Mohammed saud.arif, an experienced project manager. So if you are new on my channel, please like and subscribe to my channel. Now let's jump onto the video. How to start a project the right way. Starting a project can be overwhelming, but following these 5 key steps, you can set yourself up for the success. These 5 steps are: number one, define your project goal. The first step in starting any project is to clearly define the goal. What do you want to achieve? What problem are you trying to solve? Write down your project goal in a clear and concise statement. This will help you stay focused throughout the project. Number two, create a project plan. Now you have defined your goal, it's time to create a project plan. A project plan should include a timeline, a list of tasks, and the resources needed to complete each task. Use project management tool such as Trello or Asana to help you stay organized and track your progress. Step 3, identify your stakeholders. Stakeholders are the people who have interest in the project and can influence its outcome. It's important to identify your stakeholders early on the project and understand their needs and expectations. This will help you manage the expectations and ensure that the project is aligned with their goals. Step 4, set a budget. Projects can become expensive if you don't set a budget. Determine how much money you have to work with and then allocate it to the different aspects of the project. Be sure to include a contingency fund for unexpected expenses. Step 5, communicate and collaborate. Communication is the key to success of any project. Make sure you communicate regularly with your team, stakeholders, and anyone else involved in the project. Use collaboration tools such as Slack or Zoom to keep everyone informed and engaged. Thank you for watching this video. And if you're excited to learn more, please leave me a feedback and please like and subscribe to my channel. Stay blessed. Thank you.